Yo, what's up guys? We are Jets.
I'm just Don.
I'm Jets Alex.
Okay.
So we are the channel who talk about sneaker unboxing and streetwear, fashion outfit, music and more. So if you like our channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up.
Shut up! Intro!
Yo! So what we have today?
Okay, today we are unboxing something very special.
How
Every
special?
episode I say special.
Yeah.
Of course, that's special. Today is something a bit expensive lah.
Expensive. Expensive.
Expensive. Oh, you see this?
Yay!
What is it?
Obviously Offwhite.
Offwhite paper bag.
So
Okay,
is it a baju or kasut?
let's take a look.
Kasut.
Kasut.
Dun, 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 dun. Do you want to talk about the paper bag?
Paper bag is from
Offwhite lah, of course.
Offwhite, Singapore Offwhite.
Singapore Offwhite.
Okay. The shoe also from Singapore Offwhite.
This video are not sponsored by them.
Yeah, we sponsor ourselves. Okay, so what you see here?
Okay, I saw the model already.
Yeah.
Okay. Talking about the box first.
Box. Okay, the box as usual. Nike they are collaborating with Offwhite, right? Normally, they do something special, unlike those usual red box. So it's like they turn
Because
it.
this one is a Nike collaborate with Offwhite.
Yes, they turn it back, then make it the box is brown color. Means that inside out.
It's the red.
Inside out is concept. This one outside is brown, inside is red. Okay.
It's the balik lah.
Terbalik lah.
Okay, buka.
Okay, you can see here Nike shoes. And here the size. This is my size again.
Okay.
My size again.
7.
UK 7, US 8. Okay, let's open it up.
Oh.
Woo, woo, woo.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! 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 Oh my god!
So inside the box.
Come on lah bro.
Inside the box. Shoelace.
Shoelace.
This one.
Yes. And you can see the inside out is red color. Inside they have two paper. One is Offwhite paper, one is Ori paper.
Ori.
Ori paper.
Okay. Do you have receipt inside?
No receipt. Okay. Put it aside.
Put it aside.
Okay.
For you.
Oh, come. Okay. This thing, I'll give a very short story. Okay.
Wait. Modern name.
Modern name. This is Offwhite X Nike Blazer meet Halloween.
Halloween.
Halloween. Anything lah.
No.
Halloween. Okay. Halloween.
Hello I.
Hello I. Okay. Okay. This one.
Okay.
Okay. So very short story. Virgil Abloh, they collab with Nike for the past 2 years. Okay. At first they released the 10. You can see here. Ding! Okay. This one, they released 10 design. Include like, okay, I give it an example: Jordan 1, Paper Max,
Zoom
Presto, Zoom Fly, Hyper
Bombers.
Dunk, okay, and some more. They released only 10. That is the OG color. This one is the OG color. Then after a few months later, at the Halloween period, they released this color and another black color.
Yeah.
This here,
The one is what? The
black color.
Reaper or something.
That one they call it Grim Reaper.
Yes.
This one they call it Halloween pumpkin, orange pumpkin.
Hello I.
They call it orange pumpkin.
Hello I.
Okay. Actually, how to say? A very short one. Another very short one. Virgil Abloh, how he create this thing. Okay. He deconstruct all 10 design of the 10. Then they put it back together by himself. Okay, after that they use different material, different concept, inside out concept to make it something new.
To give it a shoot a new life.
Yes, for the past 2 years this Off-White collab has been very hot
Yes, until now.
until now.
But currently they don't have any release yet until now. I mean like
Yes, Virgil Abloh decide to stop, but I don't
maybe
think so.
they are thinking for some new design or they just
Maybe
stop.
I think they will choose another few, the 10. I don't know. Okay.
Maybe collab with other brand.
No.
It's okay.
No.
Okay, speaking about the quality of the shoe first
Yes.
now. So of course we can see quality of the shoe. You have this obviously translucent again.
No, this one is the highlight of this shoe.
Yeah, color of the shoe.
Super nice.
And obviously the oversized swoosh, the orange oversized swoosh all the way to the left, to the right, and the stem. Do you know any story about the stem?
The stem is just the main office of the Off-White.
Main office of Offwhite. Means like the address lah.
Address.
Alamat dia.
Alamak. Okay, we can go here if you wanna go.
Okay, so in the material of the shoe, they have some suede.
Suede, yes.
Yeah,
Suede,
not soft, a
not
bit hard,
soft. Yes.
and yeah,
You
sponge.
can see the tongue.
Yeah, tongue.
Wow, this one, always is the highlight leh, the tongue.
Yeah, the tongue is like always like the sponge.
Sponge one, yes.
At first, right, when I saw the shoe right just now or last time, I thought the tongue like rosa or what. Like
No, Rosa, they purposely do that.
why you
ah.
purposely do the tongue like this? If my mom saw my shoe right, they will
Hey,
think
Rosa! Hey, Rosa! No lah, no Rosa
Okay.
lah.
A bit chacat kind of design, but still look nice.
This is what Off-White want, ma.
Yeah.
They think chat is trend, ma.
And there's one small highlight in the shoe is this tab. See
Okay,
that? Colour.
this tab is very normal because when Roger Abloh is deconstructing this shoe, they wanna like put like maybe I put this color, maybe I put that color. Then they put this one for the remark. So then Roger Abloh think, this remark also can put in what?
Is it? Is it like this?
Yes. Then okay, then I'll leave it off. I'll leave it the remark here. You can see all of the 10 have one remark one.
So they remark this shoe only by using the.
So maybe before that, Roger Abloh want to put this swoosh in this color. Yes, that's why he remarked this color.
Oh.
Yes, this is one of the special thing lah. Okay, we don't know.
So it's like the kind of in progress kind of feeling.
Yes, in progress means like this shoe is like haven't done yet. Yeah.
Cool. Means like when you're wearing the shoe, right, you feel like you are in the like what you say, like how you say that, like on the spot when they are doing the
This
shoe.
they finish it then bring it out. Then
But
I'll
when you
wear
wear it, you still feel that. If you know the story lah.
Yeah.
This is why we are here to tell you the story.
Yes.
Oh, so and the back.
Okay, this thing is also same. They're using suede. This thing is like at the side, at the behind here, the whole back of here is using the leather.
Yeah.
But normally they will use leather.
Oh, I mean,
Normal blazer, they will
normal
use
blazer,
leather.
yeah,
They
all
will use
leather.
leather. Yes.
Yeah.
Then Virgil cut it out, then stamp it, then make it like
Sweet.
another suede.
And some sponge here.
Yes.
A bit of sponge.
Yes.
Wow, seriously.
This
My mom saw
quality.
this shoe.
Actually, this is the first time I'm holding a blazer
Yeah.
Off-White. My first time.
Me too.
My first time.
Yeah, and I saw a lot of code behind the shoe. You see?
Okay, this code seriously, I don't know what is this.
Yeah, it's like FA. I don't know what it means. FA means what? For? No, for nothing.
Nothing.
For FA 18.
18, I think is the year.
MN I think is men's. MNS is the men's. And BSK is a basket.
More.
Yeah, men's basket.
Then 774, 70, 80, I don't know what.
This should be the code of the design.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah. So this tag, any
Tell you, this tag is the highlight lah, bro. More highlight lah, this tag.
So many highlight in one shoe.
Yes.
One pair of shoe.
That's why this cost very expensive.
So
normally the 10, the OG, the 10 only use straight color tag.
yes. That's what I saw.
Then after
The second release,
they all use this one. We consider
light blue,
sky blue, light
sky
blue,
blue,
baby blue color.
light blue lah.
Yes. Okay.
So how many how many color of the?
Okay, at first we thought only the 10 will exist.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is what Project Hallow will do.
Mm-hmm.
But it's a bit disappointed because they are doing like the 30 already.
Oh, that 30.
The 30 already.
Okay.
It's like each design they release 2 new colors.
Yeah. Oh, I mean like at first you think like the shoe will only have 10. That 10.
Yeah,
design.
only that 10.
But after that they keep coming up with all
New
new
color.
colorway.
This is like breaking their own.
But at least the new colorway still look good. They still have the value
the value, of course, the value is still there because it's Offwhite.
and budget upload
Trend,
trend.
trend.
Do you have one? You own any Offwhite?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
What do you have?
I have Presto.
Never mind. We do unboxing for you next time for Presto.
Yes.
So please stay tuned.
Okay.
So speaking of the price of the
Okay.
shoe,
The price, the retail price of this shoe, actually, Singapore.
Let me guess.
Okay,
Retail price.
Okay, guess Malaysia retail price.
Resale or retail?
Retail.
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 I think somewhere around easy also.
No lah, cheaper.
Cheaper than easy.
Cheaper. Of course, cheaper. This is you don't think this is Offwhite. You just think this is normal blazer.
500 plus.
Yes, 500.
Yes.
529.
Because I remember 500 plus is that kind of Nike retail price.
Yes, this one I think is 5. If I'm not wrong, it's 519.
And the
Malaysia
resale
ringgit.
price was very, very high.
Okay, the resale price of this is 2006. 2006.
It's like above like more than 2,100.
It's like 5 times more.
Yeah.
5 times more than this.
Good resale value.
If you are good luck, you can cop at Nike online.
Is it?
Because
For the big
nowadays,
size, is it?
no. Nowadays, Nike online, Malaysia Nike online always do sudden drop, sudden restock.
Or sudden
for this.
restock.
Yes.
I quite like this one, but if I get this for 500, like totally
You will sell.
best of the year, man.
You will sell. You will sell.
Sorry?
You will sell this or not if you get this.
I will wear it.
Oh, you will wear it.
Because I think my size is actually US 11 or 11 and a half or something. Definitely will rock this one.
So,
Because it's a lot of detail, they put a lot of effort inside the shoe. And then if you get it for retail, why you sell it?
Yeah.
Or if you really need the money, then
yeah, if you really need the money, you can sell lah.
But I'm the kind of retail price fella. So
how you rate this?
a bit high. A bit high. It's like the first time an Offwhite in my hand, unboxing. Wow, it's a lot of effort inside. I give it like serious 8.
8 lah.
8.
Ah.
I think they put a lot of effort inside the shoe.
Okay, for me, honestly lah. Okay, not wanna sabo anyone. This is just a trend shoe, so I rate this 7.5.
Okay,
7.5.
still okay.
Still
Below
okay.
me,
Yes.
0.5 and
7.5.
yeah.
If this thing is done on trend, then people still buying.
Speaking about that, don't know about the trend like me.
Yeah.
Like really, first react for the shoe is really details lah.
Details. The quality wise is super good.
It's like more than 10 details there.
Yeah.
Different details.
If you're rating about the quality of the shoe,
Yes.
it's confirmed 10 per 10.
Yes.
But if you're rating overall, I only rate 7.5.
Yeah, luckily they come with this kind of color of this shoelace.
Shoelace.
Means you can swap it and then it will still look good because with this color
Yes.
right here and the blue here. So you look cool.
Yes.
So I think this is all of our video.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you like our video, please like and share to a friend.
So if you like our content and want to see more of our video, then please subscribe to our channel and click the notification button.
Share to Ato, Ama, Ato, Ano, don't know anyone.
Bye bye.
Okay,
See you next week.
Bye.